No, I'm not alright.
Hey loves, it's Najah and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure that you hit that subscription button below me. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back, girl. So I'm coming to you to announce the 100 subscriber giveaway winner. Of course, you guys are all winners in my eyes. All of you guys said really sweet, nice things, and I just really am appreciative of everybody and you guys' support, and just hearing like why you guys like me and why you guys watch me. It's just all made me really smile and happy, guys. Thank you. Yeah. But anyways, I'm coming to show you what you're gonna get and everything, and I'm going to need you to exchange information, but I'll get to that later. We'll get to that later. Drum roll, please. The 100 subscriber giveaway winner is, I believe it's Micah Morris. Miss Micah, I hope that I'm saying your name right. You have won the giveaway. Girl, thank you for subscribing and watching and shouting me out to everybody. Thank you so much. This is what you are going to win, lovely. You have gotten this bag, this lovely pink bag. I almost kept it for myself, girl. That's how cute it was, and it was the last one. Okay, this is super cute. It's a little makeup. It could honestly be a purse, you know, a little carry-on purse, you know, throw over your shoulder, like handbag, or it can be a makeup bag. You know, it has a little pouch in it as well. Super cute, super deep. It can fit a lot of stuff, because you know us girls, we like to, you know, fill up our bag. Okay, I understand. First things first is a bracelet, and I have one too, so we're matching. Yes, matching bracelets. So I'll wear mine and you can wear yours, girl, and take some pictures. Yes, it can go in really any season. Like, it's very summery, very fall, very anytime, honey. Christmas, you got the red. It can go through all seasons, honey. So your bag, matching bracelet with me, and then let's get into these products, honey. I said that I was going to get some facial stuff. I love cleansing my skin. You are going to want to exfoliate your face, and I will do a skin routine video so that you can follow it and do it with me with your stuff that I've given you. First, you want a scrub. I always scrub and exfoliate my face and get, you know, wash my face, get all the dirty stuff off. And then you have your face clay mask. It helps smooth and soothe your skin. Then you have your face mask that you, like the little stick on, like the paper mask. And what that does is it kind of like, it clarifies your pores and it refreshes your skin. So basically it just makes sure your skin look poreless. You look very like just bomb and glowy. So you have all those three. I'll put up a video of me doing that so that you have that and you can follow it. Also, I got you a beauty kabuki brush. Okay, girl, I don't even have one of these, so I'm hooking you up. Super cute, super small little kabuki. Usually use this for foundation. You also have a eyeshadow brush. So for eyeshadow, you can really use it for blending or anything, or applying makeup, but it is a blending brush, so I got you that as well. Also, I have an angled brush for, you know, getting the contour in. And last but not least, I got you an eyeshadow palette as well, so you can follow along with me on certain looks. This is the LA Colors, something nice to start off with makeup if you were first starting off with. This is what I first started with and still have one. If I'm ever going into some colors and I don't show you that it's Juvia's Place or something, this is usually what I'm using. So you can follow along with me, girl, okay? 16 colors, really fun, really awesome. I hope that you really like it. That is everything that you're getting in your giveaway basket that I, you know, have. I said basket, but it's really a bag. So giveaway bag, okay? So I will need to exchange information with you. I will be reaching out to you and preferably email you, and we'll need, you know, your information, address, and everything else. So once you see this, girl, I'll tag you on Instagram as well. Thank you so much to everyone again. I love you guys so much. Guess what? I got a lot of things coming your way. Me and Jacob are, which is my husband, I have some videos that are coming with him. so that you guys can meet him if you guys haven't, because me and Jacob had a channel together. I don't know if you guys know that either, but we did. But I'm gonna bring him over here on my end so he can be in my realm, and he's gonna be doing what, you know, I want him to do. Also, I got some house things because me and Jacob we've purchased a house. We've been in our house for almost a year. It's gonna be a year in November. We are doing renovation, painting, and changing things. We have new furniture since we've moved in, and just, excuse me, we have a bunch of stuff coming your way that we are going to be remodeling so that you guys can keep up with that. More advice videos, more giveaways. I'm doing more giveaways, guys, so don't think this is the last one. I will be doing more giveaways for different reasons. Maybe I'll give away some wigs or something. You guys feeling a wig giveaway? I think we could do that. I think we could do that. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye.
But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me.